welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video, like I titled it, is channel updates. Okay, so I want to just update you guys on some things. I have like some changes I have done on the channel, not major changes anyway, just some changes that will practically help you to navigate on my channel. Okay, so I don't want you guys to get lost, and I don't want you guys to like ask me, oh have you made video of this, have you made video of that. I hope like majority of you will see this video because it's going to guide you to know how to find certain videos on my channel. Okay, so yeah, this video is very important because yeah, I've gotten a lot of questions. Like people will just ask me, can you make video of egg roll? Of course, I have like 2 to 3 egg rolls video on my channel. So if I have any new recipe, I'm definitely going to update. But yeah, I have videos of it, so that means you might not have seen it. And you know, sometimes scrolling from up to down, like it's a lot of work and some of us don't have time. So instead of you to now leave my channel and now go and type egg roll, how to make egg roll, and now start seeing other channels, see, you need to watch from me. I am the best. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to like put you through on how to navigate certain videos because I have actually gone ahead to categorize them and put them in the place where you are going to find it so easily. And of course, you might just watch one and then find another one similar to it, and that will keep you longer on my channel. You know what I mean? So I'm going to start with where all of this magic is taking place, which is playlist. Okay, I'll try to put a demo of how to get to playlist because some of us don't know how to. Okay, so I'll try to put a demo on while I'm editing this video so you can see how to. So for those of us that doesn't know, let me show you a simple way to get to my playlist. Okay, so right, you want to search for my name, my YouTube name, Temilayo and Mom, and once you get this front page, you want to click on my profile, and yeah, this is where it will take you to, and over there you will see all of the options: home, videos, short, live. You will see playlist. If you scroll like further, you will see community and membership. But what we are working on today is playlist. So once you click on playlist, you are going to see all of the playlists I have created, and yeah, it's just perfect. It will guide you on whatever you are interested in on my channel without you leaving my channel to check it elsewhere. Okay, so if you want to go on small chops, you just have to look for small chops business, click on it, and you will see all videos relating to small chops. You know, like some of you always find it like difficult to scroll down and check for what you want, so this makes it really easy. And the good thing about this is if you play one of the videos, instead of you to start clicking on the other, it can automatically play the other for you, so you just enjoy while you're in the playlist. So if you want any playlist Nigerian cuisine, just go there. I'm still adding more to this because I have some old videos I need to add to it. These are just recent ones. So whatever you want to watch, Chinese cuisine, I have 4 videos under it already, so just go ahead and explore. Okay, that is basically how to get to the playlist and explore. So when you get to my playlist, you are going to see about like a lot of playlists because I have tried my possible best to categorically put them on their place. Okay, so you will find something like small chops business. That is videos concerning small chops, whatever recipe I have shared, like puff mix, small chops mix, yeah, whatever you want to know about small chops. Money bag, corn dog, yeah, you know those packages that come with small chops. Okay, you will find it once you click on small chops business. Okay, so you will find another one like Q&A. Q&A are like all of the sit-down videos I have done. Q&A, answering all of your questions. You know, I usually do like a monthly Q&A. Those kind of videos, like you people ask me questions and I just randomly answer them on a Q&A. So yeah, you find those ones under Q&A videos. So you'll find something like CHINCHIN. Yeah, you know, I have variants of CHINCHIN. Like recently I made a CHINCHIN variant from Ida Basi, milky CHINCHIN, which was nice, like very nice. Okay, so I'm going to add that to this playlist of CHINCHIN. So if you are interested, if CHINCHIN is what brought you to my channel, or you just want an upgrade, you just want to have other recipes on CHINCHIN, don't stress, don't go too far, just go to CHINCHIN playlist. Okay, you'll find it there. So moving forward, when we talk of drinks, yeah, anything drinks I have done: soya milk drink, zobo drink, tiger nut drink, Chapman drink. Whatever drink have I done? Yeah, I have some drinks coming up. I haven't just had time to buy the ingredients. Like I learned a lot of drinks from Hilda, and yeah, I would like to share. So if in the future I get to make those videos and you want to come back and just check for it, yeah, go to drinks, and you won't need to stuttle, you won't need to like check too much, and you find it there. So the next one is snacks. Yeah, snacks, meat pie, donut, yeah, egg roll, puff. Yeah, I think there's puff there as well, though it's also like even some things you can also find on small shops. You can also just find them on other places, because of course they are snacks, right? So when you go to snacks, you find all of the snacks I have made, all the Zico, whatever snacks that I have made on my channel. You will find all of them there. So once you watch one of it, it just keeps playing. Okay, so that's how you enjoy watching my snacks playlist. And then I made another playlist of breads and cakes. Yeah, I have made some banana breads, like different there's this banana bread class I attended. Like that class is good. That's where I got the premium banana bread recipe from. And if you have tried that recipe, you know I'm not joking. Like that is the best banana bread I have tasted in my life. Like it's so good. So I have carrot cakes, I have vanilla cake, I have all of the cakes and breads I have made on that playlist. So do well to check it out. And also I have the one I just tagged my videos. These are videos of me, like where I show my face. Under that I have some videos of recipes as well, but then I showed my face. You know, earlier in the days I used to show my face before I go into videos. Yeah, so I just put it as my videos. So yeah, you can find that under that one. Then I'm creating a new one, Chinese cuisine, because recently I have shared up to 4 to 5 Chinese recipes, and yeah, I'm going to create a playlist. So if you actually came to my channel because you want to learn Chinese recipe, yeah, go ahead and be my guest. Okay, so another one, Nigerian food: okra soup, jollof rice, egusi soup, banga soup. You know, those Nigerian cuisine that I have made so far, you will find all of them under Nigerian food. So I'm thinking of creating a playlist for Idabasi's recipe. I don't know, what do you think? So another playlist I have already made is Vlogmas videos. Yeah, Vlogmas videos. This one is important because I did Vlogmas in 2022, and I'm currently doing Vlogmas as, yeah, this is one of my Vlogmas videos as well. So yeah, you find all of my Vlogmas video on there. Yeah, and you know, now you can also still find some of the videos on other playlists, because I made a lot of recipes and they will be on other playlists. But if you are specific about Vlogmas, you want to know what I did during the Vlogmas, day 1 to 25, 2022, day 1 to 25, 2023, go under Vlogmas videos and you'll find all of that there. So let me know, is it a good idea? Should I just create a playlist for Idabesi's recipe? Because of course, a lot of people went for that training for different purposes. Some of them to cook for their husbands, some of them to upgrade their cooking for their boyfriends, some of them for business. I went for that training for you guys. I went so I can show you guys how to make stuff. Those of you that couldn't attend the training or didn't have the opportunity to. So I went there for you guys. So, and also you can dash me money, because see, Hilda's recipe needs money. If you want to make Hilda's recipe, you need money. You see all those crab, lobster, this is that. See, that is why I've not been making much, because I need to be an odogun before I will make it. So you can just dash me money so that I can go ahead and make it for you guys. But then let me know in the comment section if it's a good idea to create a recipe, like a playlist for a recipe specifically, so you guys don't need to go around checking for it. You just know that, oh, you come to the playlist, type search for Idabasi's recipe, and you will see it there. So this one is under probability or we are contemplating right now, right? So let me know in the comment section. So if I see a lot of you saying go ahead, do it, it's not bad, yeah, I will do it because I went there for you guys. So let me know. Yeah, if there is any other playlist you want me to narrow down, like if there's anything else you want me to create, just so it's easy for you to find, let me know. And yeah, that is all for the channel updates. Thank you so much. I believe before the end of the year I will reach 25,000 subscribers, which is actually my new goal. Okay, so get me there by sharing my video, like this video, comment on this video, and share, because without you sharing, new family member will not come, and we need more of TNM squad, right? So do well to share, and I'll meet you in the next video. Have a blessed day, and from me to you, season's greetings. Bye.